The heart of this machine is an air-cooled motor that produces a peak of 15 horsepower and a staggering 40.5 pound-feet of torque available from 0 revolutions per minute. In the world of electric urban commuters, torque is the only currency that matters. I tested the 3 riding modes: Flow, Surf, and the optional Flash. Flow is your safety mode, with soft throttle response and heavy regenerative braking. Surf feels the most natural, allowing the bike to coast like a traditional internal combustion engine motorcycle while still offering decent punch. Flash is where the CEO2 finds its soul. The throttle response becomes telepathic, and the regenerative braking is aggressive enough that I rarely had to touch the physical brake levers in stop-and-go traffic. In the United States, this version of the CEO2 is classified as a street-legal motorcycle, meaning you will need an M1 motorcycle license to ride it. It is highway-capable in a literal sense. I saw a top speed of 59 miles per hour on the display, but it is not highway-appropriate. This is a surface street specialist.